Yeah, good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's class. So we'll be discussing about Java's time package. So Java has a package named time, where it has all the methods and classes which are related to displaying of current time, local time, okay, and date and time of present date and time. So to get that time and the date, we have different. Okay, so we have different things available. There are different classes and methods available in Java. Okay, so previously these classes and the methods are grouped into a package called util package. So from the latest version of Java, which is 8 version, so it has been separated and kept in a package called time. Okay. That is what the time package contains. So basically time package, we have so many different classes and methods. So among that, we have learned about the class instant, which is in the previous class. And today we are going to learn about the formatting for date and time in Java. Okay. So see, so basically Java date and time, present current date and time. If you want to have a current date and time, so you need to import the package called java.time.local date. If you want to have a date, then you need to import this package java.time.local date. So local date is different and the instant time and the date is different. So as I told you, instant ante ఏదో ఒక టైం ఇన్స్టెంట్ గా తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద కరెంట్ టైమ్ జోన్ ఆర్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే సో హియర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇస్ local date and time. Here the local date means the date and time of your system. Okay, system లో మీకు ఇప్పుడు present ఉన్న date time మనకి డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. That is what the difference between local date and time, right? So and by using now method, now అంటే present ఎంత టైం అయింది, present ఏ డేట్ ఇవాళ అనేది చెప్పడానికి now అనే మెథడ్ ని వాడతారు. ఓకే, so we can see this example here. So in this example, we are writing the import statement java.time.local date, right? And then we are calling the main method. We are writing some main method. In that I am using this class local date. Okay, for this local date class, we are creating an object myobj is equal to local date dot now. So now method will what the now method will do is it will display the current and the system's local date and time. Okay, me present system lo unna date time display chesthundi. So simply we are printing that my object ane danni manam print chestunnam ikkada system.out.println my object. So now it will display the current date of your system and your local date. Okay, so here I have executed the program already. Once again I'll try to do this. It is Java. Okay, the class name is main date. Okay, then main date dot java. So the class name here main date dot java. So Java C main date dot java. Click on enter. If you have any compilation errors, it will show you. Otherwise, it will wait for the next instruction. So this is the last topic of your packages concept. Okay. So from the next class onwards, we are going to discuss about exception handling concept, which is also there in the fourth chapter. This basically fourth chapter contains two parts. One is the packages concept, and second one is the what you call second one is exception handling. Okay, now it is compiled. Then I am calling this Java main date. So as you can see here, today's date will be displayed. So today this class I am recording on 2nd of June 2021. So, but the format we have internally the format Java follows is, first of all, it will display the year and then month and then date. We can change this format by using a date format method. Okay, అది మనం యూస్ చేసి దాన్ని చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, అది తర్వాత మనకు వస్తుంది చూద్దాం. The next thing is so this is how the program executes. So we are calling the class called local date. Local date అనే క్లాస్ తీసుకొని దానికి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి local date dot now అంటే చాలు. ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ okay, so what is your current date that will be stored in this object my obj. Then simply we are printing that my obj, your date will be printed. Okay, so this local date class is in a time package. Okay, so that's why we are importing java.time.local date, right? Next, time here. So previous example we have seen the local date. If you want to print the current time, that means local time and time and the cheppalante, then we need to use a package called java.time.local time. Okay, previously we have used local date and now we are using local time. Okay, so as simple as that. So simple program. Simply we need to create an object for this class and simply print that object. That's it. Nothing we can do. So see here the same program. We are importing the statement java.time.local time. Then we are writing some main. The main method name is main time. And then we are writing, we are calling this class and creating an object for this class. Okay, and local time dot now. So now refers to the current time. Present in the system and the time and the display. So system.out.println my object. We are simply printing this my object method. Then you can see here I'll execute it also main time. So Java C main time dot Java. Now I'll execute this. Compile now. So now I'm executing this class. It will display the current system time. So in my computer, the present time is 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, it is 24 seconds and milliseconds. So this the entire thing is here 10 o'clock minutes. This is the minutes and then this is the seconds. Okay, seconds will be displayed 24.995. Even though with the milliseconds, it will display the time. Okay, right. And the next thing is this is about the current time. If you want to have both date and time, okay, both date and time కావాలంటే మనకి ఇది కూడా ఒక ప్యాకేజ్ ఉంది java.time.local date time. So this class will use it to get the local date and time. Okay, both at the same time. So local date and time, which is at the same time. So the program I am referring to here is main date and time format. Sorry, this one is different, I think. Okay, so this is a simple program. Okay, I'll just Okay, I'll execute this program also. So here here you need to refer is local date and time. Okay, if you want to print both the local date and time, then you need to use this java.time.local date and time class. So it is entirely a purely a single word where L is capital and D is capital and T is capital. Okay, so I'll just share the total screen because 1 second. Okay, so now the total screen will be shared. Okay, now I'll just copy this program and I'll execute for you. It will print both the date and time. Okay. So we'll change the class name also because here we have used the class name called main1, main2, main3. Already with that names, I have already some other programs. So that's why I'm changing the date and time, local date time. So the name of the class is main local date time. Okay. So with this name, we're trying to store this program. Okay. So we have saved successfully and I'll compile this now. Java C main local date time dot Java. When I click enter, it will show you the errors if it has any errors. Okay, now I'll execute this. Local date time class. Display both the date and time. Clearly, it will display both the date and time. See, it is displaying the time and then it is displaying some T here. Okay, first date print అయింది ఆ తర్వాత T అనేది print అయింది ఆ తర్వాత nothing but T అంటే time అనమాట. So from here it is date. Okay, then it is printed T and then after that it is printed your time. That is in my system it is right now it is 10 o'clock 5 minutes and 34.443 milliseconds. Okay, so this is how we can execute this. Next, we have something called this T in the output. Okay, you can see here some T is displayed here on the output. Okay, so the T in the example above is used to separate the date and time. Adi date and time ni separate cheyadaniki use chestunnam manamu. But you can see here what happened is here the date is printed in this format, that is YY. That means year is printed first and then month is printed first, next, and then date is printed next. Okay, but I don't want this format. I need to change the format according to Indian style. That means how we write the date. Generally, we'll write the date first and then we'll write the month, and then we'll write the year, right? So ala change cheyalanunte there is a class to do this. Okay, then that class name is, what is the class name? Date time formatter. So we can use this date time formatter class with the method called off pattern. Okay, off pattern అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన pattern ఇందులోకి ఇవ్వాలి, ఈ పర్టికులర్ మెథడ్ లోకి ఇవ్వాలి. Then we need to call this class date time formatter class. Okay, so you can see a small example. I'll just show you with this notepad 5. So there is a java.time.local date time. This we need to call, and then to change the format of the date, we need to call this java.time.format.date time formatter. Okay, so date time formatter అనేది ఒక క్లాస్ ఉంది, దాన్ని మనం కాల్ చేయాలి. So as you can see here, we are writing a main class, and then we are calling the local date time object. Okay, first మనం local date time object ఏంటో ప్రింట్ చేద్దాం. So it is stored ఈ statement చూడండి, local date time, which is a class, and we are creating an object my date obj is equal to local date time dot now. It will display the present system యొక్క డేట్ ఏంటో ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ చేసాం. Okay, ఇది print statement. Before formatting, we are printing the object contents, and then we are calling this date time formatter method. So date time formatter method, ఈ క్లాస్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఈ క్లాస్ దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తాము? టు చేంజ్ ద డేట్. డేట్ ని మనం చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి, ఫార్మాట్ ని చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి we need to call this. Okay, so date time formatter is equal to my format object. That means it is the name of the object is equal to date time formatter dot off pattern. Off pattern is nothing but a class we need to method we need to use. Okay, and then in which format you want? First of all, date will be printed, and then a month, and then year. So in this format, I need to print the date, and then followed by the hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, so this is the format I want. So that's why I need to call this method off pattern. Off pattern ante manaki ఏ pattern కావాలో ఆ pattern లో అన్నమాట. Next. ఓకే, దీంట్లో మళ్ళీ ఫార్మాట్ మెథడ్ అని చెప్పి ఒకటి ఉంది. సో దాంట్లో స్ట్రింగ్ లాగా డిస్ప్లే అవ్వడం కోసం మనం దాన్ని ఒక వేరియబుల్ తీసుకొని, ఫార్మాటెడ్ డేట్ అని తీసుకొని, మై డేట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డాట్ ఫార్మాట్ మెథడ్. ఫార్మాట్ మెథడ్ అంటే దీన్ని ఫార్మాట్ చేయాలి, ఎందుకంటే మనకు వచ్చిన డేట్ టైం ఇదంతా కూడా వేరే ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఫార్మాట్ నుంచి స్ట్రింగ్ ఫార్మాట్ లోకి మార్చాలి, మార్చి మనం దాన్ని డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాం. సో వెన్ యూ డూ దిస్, okay, this is the program it is. I'm executing that. Now I'll execute it. చేసాము, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తుంటే మనకి రిజల్ట్ ఏమొస్తుందో చూద్దాం. See here now. So before formatting, the date is 2021 June month, and then date 02, and it is followed by T symbol, and then it is giving the seconds as time as 10 o'clock 11 minutes 2 seconds. Okay, milliseconds. So after formatting, I am changing this into some other format. That is, first month will be printed, and then followed by first date will be printed, and then followed by month, and then followed by year, and time will be printed here. Okay, so koncham gap ichi time print ayindi 10 11 2, right? So this is how we can use this format method. Format method ni manam ila use chesukochu. Next, we have the last concept, that is temporal adjuster class. So there is a class in Java the method of these classes are used to determine such as the first day of the month, last day of the year, and others. Okay. సో టెంపోరల్ java.time.temporal అనే ఒక ప్యాకేజ్ ఉంది. దాంట్లో ఏముంటాయి సార్ అంటే, ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మనం ఇయర్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే, జనవరి 1st ఏ రోజు వచ్చింది, ద డే అనమాట, ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ ద మంత్. ఓకే, ద డే విల్ బి ప్రింటెడ్. అండ్ లాస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్, లాస్ట్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్, ఇయర్లో లాస్ట్, దట్ మీన్స్ 365th డే ఏ డేట్ వచ్చింది అనేది మనం డిస్ప్లే చేయాలనుకుంటే ఇలాంటివన్నీ వాడుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. సో ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ కంబైన్డ్లీ పుట్ టుగెదర్ ఇన్ ఏ టెంపోరల్ అడ్జస్టర్ క్లాస్. దెర్ ఇస్ అ క్లాస్ కాల్డ్ టెంపోరల్ అడ్జస్టర్. సో ఇన్ దట్ క్లాస్ we have some different methods. Okay, so ila first day of the month, last day of the month, first day of the year, last day of the year. So first day of the week, last day of the week. Okay, and first in month, month lo first day enti, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా మనం ప్రింట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, it is required at some point, at some program. So that's why we have the class called temporal adjuster class, and these are all the methods that we have in that class. Okay, only thing is ఈ క్లాస్ ని మనం క్రియేట్ చేసి దానికి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఈ మెథడ్ కాల్ చేస్తే చాలు, మనకు అన్నీ వచ్చేస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, and just execute it again for you. Okay, so as you can see, we are calling all these things: day of the week, local date, time.temporal adjuster class. Okay, all these things. Okay, so mainly this class is important, and we are writing this class. So we are calling the first thing local date.now. Okay, present local date ఎంతో అది డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. దాని మీద మీరు లోకల్ డేట్ మీద మీరు ఏం అప్లై చేస్తున్నారు, లోకల్ డేట్ డాట్ విత్ వాట్ ఈస్ విత్ టెంపోరల్ అడ్జస్టర్ డాట్ ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ ద మంత్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ ద మంత్ ఏంటి అనేది డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. అలాగే లాస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ ద మంత్ అదేంటో డిస్ప్లే చేస్తుంది. అలాగా, సో ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ అనమాట. ఓకే, సో వీ నీడ్ టు కాల్ దిస్ లైక్ లోకల్ డేట్ డాట్ with అనే మెథడ్ యూస్ చేసి, దెన్ we need to call this internal method as temporal adjusters dot first day of the month. Okay, so let me execute this. What happens when we execute this is main5. The program name is main5. main5.java. So class examples, I'm storing all these things in class examples folder because I have a folder with that name. Okay. Now I'm executing this. C main5 Java. Okay, Seema here. So according to the program, first of all, I am printing local date. Okay, date into print chesa. So it is printed, the current date is 2021-6/2. And what is the first day of the month? Okay, what is the first day of the month? Basically, ఈ month లో first day first తారీఖే కదా. కాబట్టి first displaying. Then last day of the month is 30th. And the next day. Okay, next day means it is given 7 here. Why it is given 7 here? Okay, so I need to call this after this. Okay, first day of the month తర్వాత కాల్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు మనకి వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. So first day of the next month is always, it is July. So 1st July. Okay, like that we are displaying all these things అన్నమాట. Okay, so which are available with this methods. So according to these methods, it will be printed, right? So this is how the temporal adjuster class will work. Okay, ma? So there ends your 4th chapter, not the complete chapter, only the packages concept. So tomorrow class onwards, we'll discuss about exception handling concepts, right? Thank you.